Hey there! Welcome to another tech troubleshooting video. Today we're diving into a common problem that Mac OS users may encounter. Picture this. Every time you press a key on your keyboard, it gets automatically copied into the search field in Launchpad. Annoying, right? Let's tackle this issue together. Now, onto the solution. When the Launchpad starts acting up like this, the culprit is off in the dock. To fix this problem, you can simply kill the dock either through Terminal or Activity Monitor. Once the dock restarts, you'll find that the keyboard input no longer gets copied into the search field. Easy peasy, problem solved. In summary, if you're facing the issue of your keyboard input being automatically copied into the Launchpad search field, the dock might be the one causing the trouble. By restarting the dock using Terminal or Activity Monitor, you can quickly resolve this pesky problem. Hope this solution helps you out. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy troubleshooting.